Big day ahead? This is how I get through it without losing my mind. First up, I just open the device and I'm instantly in. No passwords, no messing around. Then it's just straight into emails. And now this is where things get kind of interesting. Copilot in Outlook just summarizes everything for me. My drafts, my replies. It even helps when I'm staring at the screen like, what am I even meant to say here? And as always, there's a last minute presentation that needs to be done like yesterday, but no stress. I will quite literally just throw a prompt into Copilot and boom, first draft done. And then I just jump in and tweak things on the touchscreen, scribble some notes with the pen, and I'm done. Okay, so this whole screen ratio thing, totally underrated. With 3:2, you actually see more of your document without constantly scrolling. And I know it might not sound like a big deal, but I can promise you it makes a bigger deal than you think. And when it's time to lock in properly, the typing experience on the keyboard is unreal. Super quiet, really responsive. I can just sit there typing away through my work without even noticing. Sharing files used to be chaos. Everyone had different versions and we were saving them in different places and no one could find who saved what where. But now we have OneDrive. Thank you, OneDrive. Just send out a link, everyone jumps in, everyone's editing live, easy. Okay, now this is actually wild. If you're on a call, live captions can actually translate, but in real time. So even if someone's speaking a different language, you're still across everything. And once the work's done, this turns into my chill device. Quick switch over, just flick on a movie. And if you turn on Dolby Atmos, it actually sounds insane. And it adjusts depending on what you're using. So you just get a proper immersive setup without having to worry about all the techie stuff. So yeah, this combo just works. Surface, Windows 11, Microsoft 365, everything just talks to each other. Everything's fast and just makes your day easier. Less effort, more getting things done. That's the goal.